Thank you for saving us. Ooh. As He said, out of my youth I remember your call on my life took me over. Your love has seen me through all my chains. I sat here by your grace. On this altar I've written my life, tells of a story I have with you, my Lord. I want the world to know. God of my forever, and forever I'm with you. My life is saved with a price. Your sacrifice redeemed my soul. God of my forever, and forever I will sing. My greatest honor will always be to serve my Lord and King. Yes, Jesus, oh God, oh, yes, Jesus. God of my all, I surrender. My heart finds rest in your word. Praises will not be enough to show how my love for you has grown. Nothing matters when you're here with me. In the end